Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete files here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting files in Adobe Express, whether it's an image, project, or media file, is very simple. You just have to follow these steps based on the type of file you want to remove. For example, you're working already with a specific elements here. For you to be able to delete anything inside your canvas is just press delete button on your keyboard or right click and then delete. It's very simple. Right click, delete. And then I want you to go to the home page. In the homepage section, you should be able to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click your stuff right here. All right. Now, in this section, these are going to be your uploads, right? You can delete all of them if you want. In the file, these are going to be some of the designs or projects that you have previously worked with, right? Click on delete all of them if you don't want it. So you can have like not cluttered space. You see, if you accidentally delete an item, just click on undo, right? Just click on delete all of them one by one, because doing so will make your dashboard a little bit clean, and this ensures your account stays organized and that you can upload new files without hitting storage limits, especially if you are obviously have a free trial, because if you have a premium, you have like a certain limit in the usage. So I really suggest you delete old projects and designs that you no longer need, because removing media files or assets that are no longer used is going to be a practical move, right? Because sometimes your upload media, images, videos, or audio could end up not using your project. So deleting these unused files helps to reduce the size of your project, ensuring it runs smoothly without extra clutter, right? For example, if you have finished a project already, it's no longer relevant. For example, if you're working with a campaign for your client, you might want to delete all the elements involved so that you can focus on your new work, keeping only active projects visible, making it easier to navigate space or workspace. It's also helpful if you delete all of them if you are working with multiple freelancers at one time. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.